Hello everyone, I just bought my new magic mouse for my MacBook and I'm so excited to use it. Hello everyone, I'm so excited to use my new magic mouse for my MacBook Pro. So first we need to open my laptop first and turn it on. While waiting, we will also open the box. Ooh, it's so simple, beautiful, and clear. And I'm going to type my password. In this box, there is Magic Mouse manual and also a charger for Magic Mouse for my MacBook. And I'm going to connect my Magic Mouse to my MacBook. First, we need to on this one by this one. Here you go. So I find the magic mouse and we will connect it now. And let's try how it's work. Oh, it's so beautiful and so easy to use. I love it. That's all. Bye bye.